I watch it different at my most at my right eye here. They're hazel. I feel them more light. You will tell me from the first days, and yes, the health is at our eyes. So at another video I will tell what I think about what's happening at our bowels and what's happening at the other body. So today I get out to storms. Oh yes, and I could watch them. So every day it's more water out. It's more clear and more clear. And today I caught 2 worms. So I put the photograph from the bigger. It's about 6 centimeter. So it's about like this. And in inches I don't know it. And in centimeter is 6. And I take photos from one. The other was been about 3 centimeters. But it was I couldn't catch that. So I have at photos the bigger one, because it's go down where, and I tell to myself, what's this? Oh, sweetheart, what is this? So you will bring back your health. It's so wonderful. It's a gift from the God inside you. When you are clear, you will watch yourself better. You will have your health back. Maybe from where you have born, you will bring many problems. Because you will have problems, a very thin bowel, and the thin bowels can't catch the bacteria as well, so the bacteria go all at the body, and you have many problems from very, very small child years. So, what stop? It stopped the smell at this area, and I go at the gym, and I when I finish, I don't smell anything, and I tell to myself, what happened, baby? What, you're not small? And I tell, I must make something, and I smell nothing. And I realize that the third day, I don't smell at this area. And if you are a woman, sorry man, if you are a woman, you will understand, you will have a different your water from this area, it will stop some drops from your genetical area. So what? It's gorgeous. So many nice things, and I will close this video because I will make another video with Enema. I hope the next day will be so wonderful as the start days and as the days from the starting. So I hope you to understand some things from me, from my English, because I'm from Greece and my English will not so easy. If I am not living in America or at England, so I'm trying. I love English language, American language, but really trying. So many blessings for me, and I hope you to find your health very, very, very soon. And some people tell that if you make enemas, you must take a probiotic from the pharmacy for because you lose some good bacteria, and you must take it from probiotics, or you will eat yogurt, real yogurt. I don't take something, I don't want now to eat real, to eat yogurt, and I eat most fruits and some light vegetables, like at the salad. So I feel very nice with my God inside me. That for now. Many blessings for me, and I hope you to find your happiness, health. Yes, 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 yes. Kisses.